Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on Messenger. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Messenger. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about Facebook Messenger. And here in this page you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.